Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my trades for today. The trades that I'm taking today. So first of all, as you guys can see, we're pretty bullish, at least towards like we have all this unswept liquidity, as you guys can see, all these highs. So basically what I'm expecting price to low-key do is go now over here. This is like the closest draw on liquidity. So over here I have this candle, which is basically it manipulates over here and then it basically goes higher, right? So over here I have this, right? So my stop loss is actually, I entered here, right? My stop loss is over here and I'm TPing here, okay? So that's basically what you guys can see over on this, as you can see. Actually my stop loss is over here, right? So that does give me a pretty good risk to reward of 3.92. If I put my stop loss here, little lower than this. So basically right here, let me check 1 second. US 100. Let me check if my buy order was actually supposed to be. My buy orders were supposed to be like right here. Stop loss at this low, and TP at this high. So let's do like 1. No, not 1. Like let's do like 0.5. No, not 0.5. 0.3 is fine. So basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go for a buy order and cancel this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, I can't enter right now. Okay, I'm just gonna enter here. Okay, there we go. All good. So we just cancel that. Okay, so basically it's okay. We're a little down. That's fine. So I have my stop loss right below this low, considering order flow. Okay, so we have a $23 for about 60 bucks. Okay, so that's a pretty good deal. So that's the trade that I'm taking today. So as you guys can see, there's a manipulation over here, so I'm expecting price to go higher. And over here, as you guys can see, let me check with S&P. Let's see. Okay, S&P over here. Okay, what's this? Check FX news. Seems to be CPI in a minute, so I'm gonna get out of the position because of the fact that we have CPI in a minute. So okay, there's a lot of CPI news here. Let me. Oh, we're $5 down now, me. It's okay, it's okay. We're only like $1 down because we made like $4 earlier, so that's okay. There's a lot of CPI news right now, so it's okay. Whoa. CPI just got announced, and price is moving crazy right now. Oh my god, that is crazy. Look at that. This candle is moving so vigorously. That's fucking. Oh my god, why am I watching this?
Right, but now let's add.
Anyways, obviously I don't want to take any trades right now because it's 6 p.m. and CPI is happening right now. There's like a bunch of news back to back to back. Yeah, I'm assuming about. Yeah, I don't think I should trade today. There's too many red folder news over here. Are they all gonna be done though? I think they'll all be done like afterwards. After this is announced, I think we should be fine. Let me check Bloomberg real quick. Bloomberg. Let me check Bloomberg. Yeah, what's going on here? No news? Okay. So after news has been announced, we can in fact move on. Because right now it's 6 p.m. So obviously this is happening right now. So give it some time. I think we should be. I don't think we're still in the clear. It's a bit of selling pressure kicking in, so I shouldn't be in the market right now. Yeah, I shouldn't be in the market right now. Selling pressure coming in. Should low-key aim for the lows. Let's see, let's see. Okay, I think we should be fine. Yeah. It's a lot of selling pressure over here, but that's okay. It's gonna take out this low, like this low over here, and then just go higher. It's gonna like reach for this auto block, and then just go higher. That's what it's gonna do. Let me just do like. Because obviously there's a lot of pressure in between, so. Yeah, see, there's a lot of rejection wicks in this area. Sorry. Let me just go for. I'll go for a buy. It's like a 1 to 2 in this scenario. What's going on? We're going towards the forward draw, so I'm assuming that should dip to about. Not this is Dow Jones. So we have. Wait, Dow Jones is following. Oh shit. Yeah, Dow Jones seems to be following bullish patterns. Yeah, Dow Jones reached for the highs, so obviously I expect price to go all the way up there. In this case, I would follow order flow, and I will. Let's go down to 15 minutes. I'll take this all the way up here. It's like a 1 to 4. So as you guys can see, it's a 1 to 4. Why am I getting such shit storyboard? This is not a 1 to 4. This is like a 1 to 1. Yeah, it's over here. Oh, there we go. That sounds more like it. It's like, no, this is way too much though. This is way too much. Should be like 80 bucks. These equal highs over here. That's what I'm aiming for. Equal highs over here. Yeah, over here. When I aim for this, tells me that this is like, okay, 40 bucks. Okay, that makes sense. That makes way more sense. Okay, let's wait for this to hit. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah. Now selling pressure over here. That's okay. That's okay. Let's give it about. Yeah, in like a few hours, it's gonna hit this TP for sure. Because even though there's selling pressure, that's because of this wick over here. It's gonna like rebalance this level and then just go higher. Because it just needs to rebalance this, but it needs to complete the cycle. So
Especially if there's something like this as an SMT or whatever, this would be our short, right?
Right.
We would take some sort of short here because we've got what we take a short, buy side projection of a bigger time from the balance, displacement, pullback to a breaker, right? But now let's add some more context to this trade. So let's look at this exact same setup now, but now we have more context of what the bigger time frame looks like.
hang on, guys. I'm having a migraine right now. Hold on, give me a sec, guys. So yeah, basically this is the trade that I'm gonna take on NQ. That's probably the only trade that. Give me a second, guys. So yeah, let's give it a while. And what's going on here? My buy order was over here, so that's about 17 bucks for about 40 bucks. So that's pretty good. So yeah, you guys can see that it's basically going towards this. If we reject prices a bit over here, but overall it does need to draw towards the high time frame alignment. So yeah, that's basically what I'm on to right now. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna let this play out. Let's see if Euro USD is something that we can take a trade on today. And it's not 8:30 yet. So oh wait, it is about 8:30 right now. Yeah. I'm just gonna let this play out. And Euro USD, let's see how this plays out. Euro USD, yeah, so let me check forward. Seems like we're bullish up to this point. Seems like a small minor pullback, so I think price will pull back here and then go higher. So that's what we're seeing over here. So I will go for like a buy after it sweeps the liquidity in this area over here. So once it sweeps this liquidity, I'm expecting to take a buy towards this high. That kind of rhymes. But yeah, after the manipulation, I will expect price to take it higher from this fair value gap to this high. I'll go for a buy order somewhere like here. Put the stop loss right below the fair value gap and then take it towards this high. Why? Why are we bullish? Because of these highs, unflipped highs over here. There we go, guys. So these are the only two trades that I'm gonna go for today. So yeah, let me just let them play out. So as you guys can see, it's fluctuating a bit, but that's okay. It's probably because it's 8:30. And let me check. So yeah, I'm building experience right now. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. See a lot of selling pressure, but it's okay. Sometimes this happens because of inducement. So let me just let it play out. And I bought here, didn't I? I should have bought here, but it's okay. Now we're already in the trade. I don't want to like negotiate once again. So that I'm just gonna let it play out, and I'm gonna get out of here. And basically, those two are the only trades that I'm gonna take. Once again, this is the first trade. So let's see how this plays out by tomorrow. This is the 4-hour draw on liquidity. So I'll show you guys how it plays out once it's done. So over here we have equal highs. That's why I went for this high over here. Okay. So this is the TP, 4-hour TP. And just basically following order flow, as you guys can see. And this is the equal highs, so there's a lot of rest in liquidity. So I'm expecting price to take out all this rest in liquidity. And yeah, apart from that, we have Euro USD. So Euro USD, the reason why I went for this trade is because there's again, order flow is bullish, right? But this could be a what do you call it? A temporary pullback in the grand scheme of things. So because of that, I'm expecting price to pull back here and then go lower, right? Because it needs to rebalance this high if it does want to go lower. So I'm expecting to take price from this fair value gap rebalance once it sweeps all these lows over here, fair value gap rebalance, and then go higher towards TP. But if it does not come back to my and my stop loss is right below the fair value gap candle, right? So again, if it doesn't return back over here, then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna get out of this trade because it doesn't. If it doesn't return, it will reach here obviously. But if it doesn't return back to 50% equilibrium of this fair value gap, then I will not in fact take this trade, right? So let's see in about 4 more hours at about 10 p.m. So I gotta set a clock at about 10 p.m. 10 p.m. 10 p.m. my time. And oops, can I? Yeah, there we go. 10 p.m. my time. And let's see how this plays out. What are all these? Oh my god. Yeah, that sounds better. Let me set a. Let me do this. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see how this session's play out. So as you guys can see, we have manipulation over here on the London. So I'm expecting price to distribute during NY, and then for price to be manipulated at 50% EC, and then take it towards the drawn liquidity. Okay, simple as that. So now we have Dow Jones. Let me check Dow Jones real quick. So we have the highs. So obviously this seems to be going bullish, right? So we'll see a pullback towards this order block, and then obviously just finishing up this move, right? So we have this bullish move over here. We have this sort of even bullish move over here, pullback, and then go higher. So I'm expecting price to do. Because there's no way a price like dips all the way back here. It's pretty unlikely. But the time session cycles is something that I haven't really considered in this trade, but it's okay. Let's live and learn. Gotta take a few losing trades in order to learn, right? So it's okay. Trade, learn, trade, learn, trade, learn, trade, learn, trade, 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 learn. Let's see. Anyways, guys, basically those are the trades that I'm taking today, and let's see how this plays out. And if it goes wrong, I'll show you guys what went wrong. Seems to have a manipulation here though. According to Zeus, this guy seems to mention the fact that this inverse candle, or like the US 100, this candle right here is not supposed to be like this, like this thing that he shows, because this is all like inducement, right? So see how this plays out. Because I low-key wanna, like, so you see this manipulation wick over here? So this is obviously during the, what do you call it? During this is London, NY AM, NY PM. So this wick right here, so he's talking about like the evening session over here. Anyways, let's stay in the trade. Let's see how this plays out. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll show you guys like the outcome tomorrow, because both of them are gonna take a while to play out. So yeah, bye bye.